Welcome to the Marshall Furniture booth at AVI Live 2019 here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I'm Matt Wolfcool, one of our sales designers, and we're going to talk about our brand new product line. It's part of the Quick Ship product line. It's the Elco-ADA-36. It's a total ADA compliant piece. It has a pull-out work surface. You push the button, the work surface comes out over a wheelchair user's lap. Everything is within the reach range limits of ADA compliance. Push the button again, simply goes right back in. We have a keyboard shelf, and right under the keyboard area, right under the work surface, you can see a height adjust lift. It's an 8-inch range. We can do ranges from 8 to 12. So if you have somebody who's a little bit taller, like a basketball player, we can add in a bigger lift. Going down to the interior of this product, you can see we have it outfitted with fixed rack rails. We have about 9 RU in the front, 7 RU in the back. A little shelving area, passive ventilation with our floor vents. You see this product is in white melamine, but there are 13 different colors to choose from. So you can get it in white, black, Asian night, and multiple other colors. You can see those colors on our website. And all the other options that we have from concept to completion. We offer free design drawings. We build our products in an FSC Certified products in an AWI shop. And you can learn about all that and all the other services that we have, like our product shipping fully assembled with a 10-year warranty. So check that all out. Contact us if you have any questions. But check out our website, marshallfurniture.com.